Hello, good morning. This is day 6 of our tour and we're at a little place we call Pontilier Hotel in France, and we've got about 500 miles to go to Calais, so we don't think we can get it all done today. We're ready back to Calais now, probably get there tomorrow morning. But let's do a stay over somewhere else. So hopefully you can like and subscribe to Tap Two Wheels. Alright, see you later.
You charismatic bastard, you.
Right, we're off. Leaving our hotel in Pontilier, and we're on the way to the next port of call, which we'll find out pretty soon when we book the hotel. But yeah, that's fine. That just discussing with the guys about our pack talks being a bit muffled. Another beautiful day. It's now 9:07 and it's 17 degrees it's saying on my temp on my Honda, and apparently on the GS it's 18 apparently. We've seen more GS's than I've had hot dinners, and I've seen 10 Africa Twins, so I'm not too bad. If you're not already, please like and subscribe. And check Gilly Bikes out as well. I'm sure he'll have some piss taking. Some piss taking episodes of my escapades. There you go. By a big drop there to the right. A nice swooping right-hander. Another one. Sorry about the wind. Shook my visor. Better. Which way? This way. Yours, Gilbert. Yeah, them BMW indicators don't work. Do they? Have noticed that? Nobody seems to use them on BMWs. No, they don't. I've noticed that. Same with car drivers as well, and Audis and Merc drivers. They don't seem to know what an indicator is. Some of them. Yeah, we're psychopath. I mean telepathic. I think the first one was right. Glorious France. Look at that little bridge and lovely, lovely view. Yeah, true fact that Gilly says. He reckons Napoleon used to wash his clothes in that bit of water. Where did he park his ship, Gilly? His ship, yeah. Oh, this is when he was growing up, was it? When he was growing up, yeah. Before his military honours, yeah, okay. Are you trying to wreck my channel? We'll just stop for these people. Bonjour. Totally random, made up fact there by Gilly Bites, as usual. He makes a lot of stuff up. I wouldn't believe everything is, you know. He's a professional bullshit artist.
Rising up like the phoenixes, been tired of pushed underground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can holding me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, no, I get, no, I get, no, I get now.
Nationals. We coming off next one? Right, okay. Right-o, cock nose. We're gonna go top. Ah, shine a light. Look at that, I can't move it. Oh shit. Why's that? No wonder. Oh. Shit the bed. That was quite a few miles, that was, wasn't it, really? Oh. Do you want some lube on your chain, lad? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Not left nothing there, have I? No. Yeah. She was just Nancy. Bill Sykes' girlfriend who he killed. He beat her up. I'll never replay the superb part in that. But nobody else could take that part. He's the best. He was the best Bill Sykes ever. Bullseye. We're going. Went back round and back on it. Stay on here. Willie Betts. Mets. We're getting off soon anyway. Yeah, but there's never an end to it. I saw the last one and it was forward facing like that one there. Naughty camera. Naughty camera. Somebody's taped it up, haven't they? And that, I believe, is a place called Nancy. Nancy. On our travels. 90 down to 80. Splendid, these road signs. 3.5 tonners even. Not confusing enough, these roads in front. What are you doing on a Friday afternoon? Comments below, please. Yes. Heading towards Luxembourg to get back to the ferry at some point. Be another night in France, so I think. Still beautiful scenery. There we go, Herbie. We found Herbie alive and well in France. Yeah, it does actually, you're right. Right, we've arrived at our next destination. Our last one, the tour. It's home tomorrow. We're at Lille in France. Just had some exciting stuff. Is it called Lille? I think it's called Lille. Lille, sorry, it's called, sorry. We've arrived, I'll start again. We've arrived in Lille even, in France. Gilly called it Lille, but there you go. Anyway, what are you doing on a Friday tea time? We're in France, nearly got lost in France. However, dodging in between the traffic with these two weapons, but never mind. It was good. And these car doors are on the last legs because we've been riding now exactly 10 hours today. It's been a long one, over 400 miles. We're just trying to find our hotel. Hotel Lillehammer. Cheers. Bit of standing up. God, it smells, doesn't it? Can't turn right. The pet. Very nice road though, isn't it? What's this car doing here, trying to park up? Get past this knobber. If we get there with these things going ping on us, we're done well. Right. Wow, isn't it? Very different. What? Yeah, we're in push bike lane. Never mind. Go on, go on, go on. Where? Best hotel, splendid, that's where we're going. Sir Hotel. Yes, we're on red at the moment. No church with bells? We like our church bells, don't we? Quasi. This is a bar near it anyway. Longest red light in the world. Right, green, go on, green, go, 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 go. Right, where are we going? Where'd you park the bikes? Yeah, yeah, well, that's spin it around because there's cars coming over here. Just park them up here, Wayne. Just park them here, because that dickhead's there looking at our bikes.